In this guide, I'll show you how to invite friends and join friends in GTA 5 Online. So, the first thing you want to do is press Start on your controller or Escape on your keyboard. And then what you want to do is scroll over at the top and select Friends. Now, once you're here, you should see all of your friends that are currently online because they'll be highlighted blue. And if you select their name, you'll have the ability to either join their game if they're in a different session, or you'll be able to send a game invite. Now, if you don't see either of these options, it's because they're either offline or maybe they blocked you as a friend. So, in order to add people, in order to send them invites or join their session, what you want to do is scroll over to online and you can go to players. And once you're here, you'll see all of the people available in your session that you can select and easily send a friend request. So if you ever want to play with them again, once they've accepted this friend request, you can simply scroll over to friends and you'll be able to easily join their game or send them a game invite. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.